We have a brand new camera, brand new microphones, an HDMI wireless system. We're gonna install that right here at my local ministry. Make sure that you guys are subscribed and like this video if you want to see more just like this. Let's get to installation. Oh crap. Well, good thing I brought two cameras to record this video for you all, because one camera just fell and I broke my lens. This is my Sony lens on my favorite cameras, my A6400, and the lens broke when this fell. So the tripod fell when I'm trying to record something for you guys, and it is jammed up in there. So do me a huge favor, make sure you like this video and subscribe this video so that maybe we can get this thing replaced, because I need my lenses to record these YouTube videos for you guys. Maybe I'll even put my Patreon down in the description of the video, but no camera lens on this video. It's all gone. Back to the video. We're going to be installing a brand new AI Tracking PTZ camera. Currently already have a PTZ camera. We also have two camcorders that we use as our side camera. So we're definitely improving the video quality in here. We also have a wireless HDMI system. I'm going to show you how we're going to use this to send our feed from in the sanctuary to outside into the hallway. A brand new microphone from HEIL. Now I'm also going to be doing a complete Amazon live stream of HEIL microphones. So in order to install this camera, the first thing I need to do is rerun another controller cable from our controller. This is the HD Huddle Cam controller, and currently I have one running to the center camera. However, that cable is only 50 feet and we're gonna reposition the camera, so we actually had to order a longer 75-foot controller cable to go from here to the first camera. Now, if you have an IP-based controller, you don't have to worry about extra power cables or even running physical control cables, but if you have serial cable, we're limited to having to run the cables. This camera will be our new main camera because it's AI tracking, so it will do auto follow, which is very nice, again, if you have a small team. So let's get to installing this camera and repositioning the other camera as part of the first phase of what we're going to be doing in this video. So we're going to take off this AVKANS camera and replace the center cam, but once I get the taller ladder, it'll be mounted on the wall. We're going to plug back in our power cable, our HDMI cable, which is going to our ATEM mini switcher, and then also we're going to plug in RS-232 cable from controller, and then daisy chain cable will go into the output. 75-foot daisy chain cable that will connect our two PTZ cameras together. All right, we're back with reinforcements. Had to run out and grab my camera stand. We'll mount this on the wall, put the PTZ camera on there. 50-foot extension cable, because we need power for that camera, and we've got to run it to the back side of that wall. We got the drill, so we can put some holes in the wall and mount both of these cameras upright. All right, let's get back to this install. This camera, because this is actually sitting on the floor, what happens a lot of the times is if it gets the back of people's heads, literally. Let's get this camera put up, mounted a little bit higher, and see what it actually looks like. So we can actually turn off all of this. Got it looking better in here. Camera's being hooked up. We are going to install this HDMI extender to extend our live stream from here in the booth out to the foyer TV. HDMI transmitter receiver, and then we'll send this feed using our ATEM HDMI out. So let's go and plug up the other one. Let's go. We are going to head out to the foyer, see if we can get this plugged into the TV, see what we got going on here. So HDMI here, we got to hold for 5 seconds, and boom, there we go. Image is a little pixelated, and it's definitely because of placement here, because we are going through a wall, we're going through a door. Okay, I can put it here on the side. That would probably work. All right, I think we got it to work. So receiver right here to the back, HDMI cable, USB plugged in. So we have a clear image coming out of our ATEM mini switcher right here. We have HDMI coming out, and I actually put the receiver right here on our little ledge. Got the nice blue blinking light, so all is well. This setup for that part is actually now complete. Come look at OBS. Camera 1, which is our main shot, got it looking pretty good. So we've got some presets set in here as well, but that's camera 1 essentially. Now camera 2, our old camcorder, has been replaced with our wide shot, which looks a lot better, a lot cleaner as well. Even put in a couple presets, so I'll hit a recall 3, and then it'll do a close in on the stage, and then recall 1. We'll go back out into our wide shot. So it actually makes the sanctuary look much bigger. And so we have the same feed, like I said, with our wireless HDMI system. If we go take a look outside, so on our TV out here as well, we got a really good looking picture of our secondary shot. Check. So what is this mic? Old. This is the HEIL PR37. We're actually gonna use this one to replace our main microphone that our keyboard is connected to. I like the sound of this. I actually had a meeting with HEIL. Microphones sound really good. I wanna test it out in this environment specifically. Check. That sounds a lot different. Mic done. We've come a long way, so thanks to AVKANS for providing their AI tracking camera. This is an AI tracking camera, so subscribe to the video, and then the next one, I'm going to show you how to set up the AI tracking feature, so that way you can really do a live production with limited people for like a Bible study or some event that requires someone to be here, but someone's just not able to be here. Make sure you watch that video, and I'll see you in the next one.